ICQbot is an interactive programming robot designed for children age 5. ICQbot contains a master controller, two infrared distance sensors, a tilt angle sensor, a speech recognition module. The combination of hardware and software enables two-way interactive magic. In ICQbot programming mode, use icon-based landscape programming to design the food fight game interface. Use the main controller to create a cool food gun and start an epic food shooting battle. Design and create a remote control interface for a lunar rover game in ICQbot's programming mode. Control the lunar rover to complete the task of collecting lunar soil. Voice interaction is super smart. Designing story scenes. Spending a tech-filled day with the smart walkie-talkie and the little cat.
吃饭，关灯。
For example, telling ICQbot hello. ICQbot replies, I'm here. Please speak. Using the voice module, control the voice character to complete various commands.
跳舞。
Multiple button groups make control super convenient. For example, in direct control mode, you can create a moving castle. Rocking horse. Sledge man. There are various interactive gameplay options with sensors. The main controller combined with the infrared ranging sensor can be used to create games like rabbit foraging, dinosaur predation, ICQbot interactive programming robot. Super cute, super smart.